challenging workout that combines push-ups with yoga, blending strength and flexibility for a transformative experience. Get ready to flow through a dynamic yoga sequence while incorporating various push-up variations to enhance your physical and mental well-being. Segment 1. Understanding the benefits of push-up yoga flow. Before we dive into the practice, let's understand the benefits of integrating push-ups into a yoga flow. 1.1. Strength and endurance. Push-ups build upper body strength, particularly in the chest, shoulders, and arms. By incorporating push-ups into your yoga practice, you can enhance your overall strength and endurance, supporting better posture and alignment. 1.2. Full body engagement. Yoga already engages multiple muscle groups, and when combined with push-ups, you activate even more muscles throughout your body. This integrated approach provides a comprehensive workout that promotes overall fitness and toning. 1.3. Mind-body connection. Yoga emphasizes the connection between the mind, body, and breath. By incorporating push-ups into your yoga practice, you cultivate mental focus and resilience, allowing you to explore new levels of strength and flexibility. Segment 2. Designing the push-up yoga flow. Now let's explore how to design a push-up yoga flow that seamlessly integrates push-ups into a dynamic yoga sequence. This combination will challenge your body and mind, leaving you feeling empowered and balanced. 2.1. Warm-up. Begin your practice with a gentle warm-up to awaken your body and prepare it for the flow. Start with a few rounds of sun salutations to generate heat and increase blood circulation. 2.2. Sun salutation with push-up variation. Incorporate a push-up variation into your sun salutations to engage your upper body and build strength. Here's how. Start in mountain pose. Inhale and raise your arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward into forward fold, and place your hands on the mat. Step back into plank pose and lower into a push-up, keeping your elbows close to your body. Inhale, lift into upward-facing dog, expanding your chest and lengthening your spine. Exhale, lift your hips into downward-facing dog, pressing your heels towards the mat. Repeat this sequence for several rounds, focusing on the fluidity of movement and breath. 2.3. Flowing vinyasa with push-up transitions. Incorporate push-up transitions within your flowing vinyasa sequence to challenge your strength and stability. Here's how. From downward-facing dog, shift forward into plank pose. Lower yourself down into chaturanga, keeping your elbows close to your body. Push back up into upward-facing dog, opening your chest and lengthening your spine. Lift your hips up and back into downward-facing dog. Repeat this sequence, focusing on smooth transitions and controlled movements. 2.4. Warrior push-up flow. Integrate push-ups into the Warrior series to add an extra challenge and engagement for your upper body. Here's how. From downward-facing dog, step your right foot forward into Warrior I pose. As you exhale, lower yourself into a push-up, keeping your elbows close to your body. Inhale, rise back up into Warrior I pose, feeling the strength and stability in your legs. Repeat this sequence on the opposite side, stepping your left foot forward. Flow through the Warrior push-up sequence, moving with intention and control. Segment 3. Balancing strength and flexibility. In push-up yoga flow, it's important to balance strength-building push-up variations with flexibility-enhancing yoga poses. Let's explore some balancing poses that will complement your practice. 3.1. Crow pose to chaturanga. Crow pose is an arm balance that strengthens your upper body and core. The transition from crow pose to chaturanga for a seamless blend of strength and control. Here's how. From a squatting position, place your hands firmly on the mat, shoulder width apart. Transfer your weight onto your hands as you lift your feet off the ground and balance on your hands. As you exhale, shift your weight forward, bending your elbows and lowering into chaturanga. Inhale, push back up into crow pose, engaging your core and arm muscles. Repeat this flow, focusing on stability and control. 3.2. Upward-facing dog to push-up pike. Combine upward-facing dog with a push-up pike for an exhilarating combination of back bend and core strengthening. Here's how. From upward-facing dog, engage your core and lift your hips up, forming an inverted V shape. As you exhale, lower yourself into a pike position, bending your arms and bringing your head towards the ground. Inhale, push back up into upward-facing dog, opening your chest and stretching your abdomen. Repeat this flow, focusing on the fluidity of movement and engaging your core muscles. Segment 4. Cooling down and reflection. As your push-up yoga flow practice comes to an end, it's essential to cool down and reflect on your experience. let's explore some gentle stretches and moments of mindfulness. 4.1. Child's Pose with Shoulder Stretch. Come into Child's Pose to release tension and stretch your spine. Add a shoulder stretch to further open your chest and shoulders. Here's how. Kneel on the mat, sit back on your heels, and lower your forehead to the ground. Extend your arms forward and walk your fingertips to extend your arms forward and walk your fingertips to the right side, feeling a stretch along the left side of your body. Hold this position for a few breaths, allowing the stretch to deepen. Repeat the same stretch on the left side, walking your fingertips to the left while maintaining a gentle stretch on the right side. Breathe deeply and let go of any remaining tension in your shoulders and back. 4.2. Seated forward. Fold with chest opener. Transition into a seated position for a gentle forward fold that stretches your hamstrings and lower back. Add a chest opener to counterbalance the push-up movements. Here's how. Sit on the mat with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale, lengthen your spine and reach your arms overhead. Exhale, hinge from your hips and fold forward, reaching for your toes or ankles. As you inhale, lift your chest, arch your back slightly, and extend your arms behind you. Feel the stretch across your chest and the opening of your heart center. Hold this position for a few breaths, surrendering to the gentle stretch. 4.3. Reflection and Gratitude. As you conclude your push-up yoga flow practice, take a moment to reflect on your journey and express gratitude for your body and the effort you've put into this practice. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and offer yourself gratitude for showing up and dedicating time to your well-being. Congratulations on completing your push-up yoga flow. By integrating push-ups into your yoga practice, you've tapped into a powerful combination of strength and flexibility. Remember, this unique workout is not just about physical fitness, but also about fostering a deeper connection between your mind, body, and breath. If you found this video helpful and enjoyable, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it with others who are interested in exploring the fusion of push-ups and yoga. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fitness content that will guide you on your journey to a stronger, more balanced you. Thank you for joining us today. Embrace the harmony of strength and flexibility as you continue to explore the wonderful world of push-up yoga flow. Until next time, stay centered and keep